Bengaluru, February 25th. In an act of extraordinary courage and compassion, the family of a young man from Chikkamandia village in Mandya's Kasaba Hubli turned their profound grief into hope for others by donating their son's organs. Their decision has given a new lease of life to 6 patients, exemplifying the true meaning of selflessness. The organ transplant was successfully performed at the Trauma and Emergency Care Center of Victoria Hospital, Bengaluru, where the government hospital medical team provided the service at an affordable cost to the public. Medical Superintendent Dr. Deepak and TECC Special Officer Dr. Asima Banu praised the dedication of the Bengaluru Medical College and Research Institution team, the Trauma and Emergency Care Center staff, and the Jiva Sarthakate Organ Donation Facilitation team. We are deeply grateful to the family who, even in the midst of immense grief, made the noble choice to help others and brighten their lives, they said. The young man, Darshan, had fallen off his bike on February 22nd. Initially, he returned home thinking it was a minor injury, but his condition worsened. He was rushed to the hospital. Doctors discovered severe internal brain hemorrhage, and he was immediately transferred to the TECC at Victoria Hospital, Bengaluru. Despite intensive care and testing, Darshan showed no response, and after 2 days, a senior medical panel comprising Dr. Kavya, Dr. Deepak and Dr. Asima Banu officially declared him brain dead. Following counselling by the Jiva Sarthakate team, Darshan's family consented to donate his organs. A decision that not only honors his memory but also creates a lasting legacy of hope. His liver, kidneys, heart valves and other organs were successfully transplanted into eligible recipients, offering them a second chance at life. The hospital's medical team has lauded the family's selflessness and courageous act, calling it a shining example of humanity. Their decision stands as a powerful reminder that even in the moment of unimaginable sorrow, one can transform personal loss into life-saving hope for others.